student finance in the UK is a government-backed way to help cover the cost of going to university, including tuition fees and living expenses. Instead of paying it everything upfront, you can apply for loans that you pay back later on once you're earning a certain amount. The two main types of loans are tuition fee loan and maintenance loan. The tuition fee loan covers your course fees and is paid directly to the university, so you don't have to worry about sending payments yourself. The maintenance loan, on the other hand, is for your living cost like rent, food, travel. This one goes directly into your bank account, so you can use it as you need. In short, student finance helps make university affordable by letting you pay for it over time rather than all at once. Now that we know what student finance is, let's go over who's eligible to apply. To be eligible for student finance, there are a few basic requirements you need to meet. First, you need to be a UK resident or have settled status, meaning you're allowed to live in the UK without any restrictions. You'll also need to be studying a qualifying course, like a full-time undergraduate degree at a UK university. Your household income can also affect how much support you get, especially for the maintenance loan. If you're living with a family, student finance might ask about their income to decide how much financial help you will receive. But if you are independent, meaning you're over 25 years old, your support is based on your income only. Checking these requirements before applying can save you time and give you an idea of what kind of support you might qualify for. Now that you know if you're eligible, let's go through the steps to apply. Applying for student finance is simpler than it might seem. You can apply online through the official student finance website if you qualify. If not, you will have to fill up a PN1 form and send it through the post. Start by creating an account, and from there you'll fill out your application with the details about your course, university, and your household income. The application usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour to complete, and you'll need some documents on hand like your ID and your parents' or partner's income information if needed. After you apply, you will get a letter with your loan offer, which tells you how much support you will receive. By knowing what to expect and how to apply, you can make the most of the support available. And if you would like help applying or have questions about student finance, reach out to us at Enrollmate. We're here to help you feel confident and ready to fund your studies the smart way. Thanks for watching and good luck with your journey.